So down the galley, I'm taking that classic, over 100-year-old recipe for shrimp Louie, and I'm crossing it with that other classic recipe for the wedge salad and kind of letting them combine. So here we go, shrimp Louie, wedge style. Now the seafood Louie salad is really all about the dressing, and it's kind of like a spicy cake to 1,000 Island. I was rummaging in the refrigerator looking for things to use up, and I came across this cocktail sauce, and I thought, it just popped into my head, shrimp Louie. Now, back when I was in my Atlanta Country Club days in the early 90s, we made a lot of shrimp Louie salads. But, you know, shrimp Louie actually goes back to the early 1900s. In San Francisco, it was the fancy salad served in all of the fancy hotels. I think it made its first appearance in a cookbook in about 1914. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that cocktail sauce and I'm going to add some mayonnaise to it. And I would say I kind of like mine about half and half. So like 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons sauce. But you can, you know, kind of work that out however you like. So again, this is all about that dressing. And if you like yours a little spicier, then you can add a little more horseradish. I am going to do a little lemon zest just to kind of perk this up. And what I thought was I wanted to do it more in that style of the wedge salad. So I don't have all of the components that a typical shrimp Louie salad would have, but I kind of have things from the wedge and things from the Louie. So I'm going to put those together for this salad. The classic shrimp Louie salad was iceberg, but you know, they diced it all up in hard-boiled eggs. I do not have hard-boiled eggs. I could have cooked some, but quite honestly, I just didn't want to. So I am going to take that gorgeous dressing we just made. It's so delicious over my salad. And iceberg, you know, iceberg doesn't get the biggest, it's not everybody's favorite. I like the iceberg, but honestly, I love it when we're cruising and traveling because it really holds up the best. This is 2 weeks since I've been able to buy groceries, at least 2 weeks. So the iceberg, she's worth her money. So what I'm going to do is I have some fresh cucumber, and I'm just going to go with some cucumber just for that fresh crunchy bite. And I had a tomato, so I'm going to do some tomato. And I have an avocado I'm just not sure about. So we'll taste, we'll cut into it and see. Oh, and it looks fine. So I'm going to do some avocado on here. And then I had went to the seafood market and got some local brown fresh shrimp and stuck that in the freezer. So I just gave that a quick saute out on the grill pan. And I'm going to add that beautiful shrimp. And then my other nod to the wedge is some bacon. So I think this new little twist on the shrimp Louie salad, I think it's going to be a big hit. And honestly, I probably should have done this before I built the salad, but I'm going to sprinkle over the top kosher salt and pepper over the top of that lettuce. I have this little piece of iceberg here. I want to taste it on my dressing. It's so good. So there you have it. Shrimp Louie in 2025 wedge style. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you later.